I saw that people started adding pictures of their work that they'd taken to Padlet, and I thought I'd walk you through adding pictures to Padlet. So I'm going to create a new box, and this is a little video I made for my college students about using an open array for division. And I can click on my link. I can paste my link and save it, or I can add it this way. I can go here and click on this for a link. If I'd rather add something from Google, I can do a Google search for images, and I can just type in division, and I can double click that, and I've got that from Google. I can keep adding things. I know that the bottom is down here, but you can add a location. You can draw on the screen. Some of you figured that out. (42 divided by 16 equals what? I had somebody draw an array to show their work. So now I've got a new, I can add a new column as I've run out of space. Oh, it doesn't have a title, it won't let me do it. Add anything you want to Padlet. Save. Now I can add to my column, and I can take a picture because everybody wants a picture of me on Padlet. I'm not sure I gave it permission. That means you don't have to get a picture of me. So here you can upload from your, so I think I talked about uploading. You can record your voice if you want to send me a message. All kinds of things you can do. So live it up, and I look forward to seeing you.